Alex Umansky here. Today I will discuss 10 tips for addressing a hostile work environment. The tips I describe apply only if you work in New York or New Jersey. If you work in another state, some or all of these tips may not apply to you, and you would need to research the law in the other state. A hostile work environment is a form of discrimination, and it occurs when an employee is harassed at work based on a protected trait, which could be race, religion, disability, national origin, sex or gender, pregnancy, sexual orientation, or age. If you feel that you've been subjected to a hostile work environment, you should take the following steps. Number 1, object directly to the harasser. So if you have been subjected to comments or conduct that you feel is harassing, tell the harasser to immediately stop and tell them that this conduct or comments make you uncomfortable. Act professionally and be polite. Do not engage in the same conduct as the harasser because you'll regret that later. Number 2, document all of the harassment that you've been subjected to. That includes write down any of the specific conduct or comments, the date and time that the comments and conduct were made. Number 3, print copies of any emails, text messages of the harassment. If you have it on your phone or recording device, make sure you back that up so you don't lose the evidence. Number 4, you can record the harasser with your phone or recording device. Remember that New York and New Jersey are one-party consent states, which means that you are not required to obtain consent from the other side before recording them. In these types of employment cases and harassment cases, it's usually your word against the harasser, and the harasser will almost always deny any wrongdoing. So if you are able to record them, even better for you. Number 5, do not save anything on your work computer or keep anything in your desk. Bring copies of the emails, text messages, recording devices, or any notes that you take. Bring them home with you because your employer has access to all of your files and to your computer at work. Number 6, talk to coworkers to see if they've been subjected to similar or the same conduct. Chances are they may have, and you may have numerous people that will come with you to complain. Remember that the more people tell the same story, the more believable the story is. Number 7, research and know your employer's complaint procedure. It can be written in a handbook, a manual, maybe on their website. Know exactly who you need to complain to and the manner in which you should complain. But you should always complain in writing, do not make verbal complaints. Once you know exactly who to complain to, put that complaint in writing and send it out. Number 8, continue to complain even if the conduct continues. So if the harasser engages in the same or similar conduct after you've already complained to upper management or human resources, don't be discouraged, continue to complain in the same manner. Number 9, watch out for retaliation. It's illegal for an employer to retaliate against you after you've engaged in protected activity and complained of harassment. You should complain of retaliation in the same manner in which you complained of harassment. And finally, number 10, speak to a reputable employment discrimination attorney so you know your legal rights.